Zipper time.
Baby.
Baby. All the snowmen are babies. Who do you have? Who is that?
Mommy.
Who's that baby?
Not
Nap. Does he need to take a nap? Who is it?
Nanai.
Nanite. What baby is that? What's a baby's name?
Baby.
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 Is that Mama? Mama give kisses. Clementine, when I came downstairs, she grabbed that baby and said, "Baby Jesus."
Jesus.
That's right.
Whoa.
What are those?
They.
Are they trees? Uh-oh.